Good day, everyone. Today in this video, we will learn how to add subtitles or captions in a video in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer from Clipchamp. So I'll open the Microsoft Clipchamp, and if you do not have it, you can install it from the Microsoft Store. Once it is opened, now here it says create a new video, create with AI. We will select create a new video, and we will quickly import the video which I want to, and once it is imported, drag it to the timeline, and now you can see the
Good day, everyone.
videos there. So it's a
Good day,
10-second
everyone.
video, and once you have added to the timeline, at the right hand side you have this very first option is captions. So we will click on captions, and it is absolutely free, the best part. Now it says generate auto captions with AI. Try now. I'll click on try now, and then we need to select the language which you want and select transcribe media. The moment you do that, at the right hand side you will see ongoing thing like it is happening right now. And now if I'll play,
Good day, everyone. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to...
So this is how you can add the captions, and now you just need to click on export. We can do it 1080 full HD, and you can use that. Do let me know in the comment section whether you are able to add the captions from Microsoft Clipchamp or not. If you find this tutorial helpful, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.